Hello everyone, I am Piyush Wairale. I hope all of you are doing well. So from today onwards, we want to start something new. So we are going to start the workshop series for data science and AI, right? So we want to upskill the student in the field of data science and AI. So that's why we are conducting this boot camp, or we can say workshop here, okay? So we are going to conduct multiple workshops, or we can say boot camp regarding data science and AI domain. But to begin with, we are focusing on SQL part, because when we talk about a data science, so here we have a data, right? So we have to deal with the data here. We have to interact with the data. So first step, we should know how to interact with the data. For that, SQL is very, very important. Okay. So I would say SQL and Python, these are the two important things that you required to start your career in data science and AI field, I can say. So Python and SQL are very, very important. Obviously, mathematics concepts are very important. So that anyway is getting covered in the GATE data science and AI course. But to upskill yourself in the field of data science and AI, we are conducting this particular workshop. Okay. So in this video, we are going to discuss what we are going to cover as a part of this particular boot camp, right? How to register for this particular boot camp and what will be the fees here. Okay. So you can see the 9 days live online workshop PostgreSQL for data science bootcamp. So we are going to start from 22nd of July. So 22nd till 30. So it will be 8 to 9 days of workshop. Okay. It depends. If we are not able to cover in 8 to 9 days, it can go to 10 days also. Okay. So it depends. So we are going to cover entire thing what is required for data science domain here. And the timing will be weekdays. So 7 p.m. So 7 to 8:30 you can see. It will be around 1.5 hour daily live classes. On weekends, you can see it's a 2 p.m. Time, right? And it will be a 90% hands-on. So we'll be covering few theory part also. So first session will be regarding data and database also. But rest of the things will be completely hands-on. You are going to get the recording of this along with the certificate. So you are going to get a certificate from Piyush AI EdTech. Piyush AI, it's a private limited company, and it's registered under DPIT Startup India. So you are going to get a certificate from Piyush Tech Private Limited. Okay. So you can see a detail of the workshop. We are going to start from 22nd of July. Okay. And the timing will be 7 to 8:30 you can see in the evening. Okay. And you can see why PostgreSQL, why not MySQL or MongoDB, right? So see, PostgreSQL is first of all open source, right? It's a zero licensing cost forever, and it's a world most loved database, and we can say it's a most advanced database. Okay, if you compare with the MySQL or other database management system, PostgreSQL is more advanced than other SQL databases. Okay, so that's why we are going to focus on the PostgreSQL. And if you see for data science domain, PostgreSQL is very, very important. We focus on MySQL previously because if you see all the banking database is based on the MySQL or Oracle, we can say, right? But nowadays banks are also shifting to PostgreSQL, and if you see the data science domain is growing, right? So companies are moving toward PostgreSQL. You can see the power global giants, for example, Apple, Instagram, Reddit, Spotify, Zomato, and Razorpay, they all use just PostgreSQL. Okay. So we are going to discuss about the RDBMS, Relational Database Management System. Okay. So PostgreSQL is basically RDBMS, Relational Database Management System, and we are going to focus on that. Okay. So you can see learn once and use anywhere. So 90% of the syntax that we are going to learn in the PostgreSQL are similar to MySQL, Oracle, Snowflake, and BigQuery. If you understand the concept of PostgreSQL, it's same. If you use MySQL, if you use Oracle or any RDBMS, 90% of the syntax is same. Just few commands are different. But anyway, if you understand the concept, if you understand how to write the SQL query, it doesn't matter which database you are going to work on. It can be MySQL, it can be Oracle. You can apply those particular concept. Okay, you can write the query. A few commands are different, but 90% of the commands or syntax is basically same as of MySQL or Oracle, we can say. Okay, so if you understand the SQL really, you can work on MySQL, Oracle, Snowflake, BigQuery, and you can see why PostgreSQL. In PostgreSQL, we have some modern features. For example, we can integrate with the JSON file, we can import the CSV file, we can work on that as well. And also we can connect this particular database using Python, and we can work on the data using Python also. Okay, so we'll be discussing that thing as well. And you can see it's the fastest growing database skill in India. Startups, unicorns, MNCs hiring at the record rates. So if you just go to Naukri.com or LinkedIn, or if any job providing platform, you can see, just search the keyword PostgreSQL. You can find out number of vacancies for PostgreSQL database. Okay. So I hope you understand why we are going to focus on PostgreSQL. So basically same thing. SQL, if I say, so 90% of syntax is same. You can apply it anywhere. MySQL, Oracle, Snowflake or BigQuery. Okay. So now you can see SQL, the number one skill in the data science. So like as I said, Python and SQL is basically a basic requirement to learn data science here. Okay. If you want to enter data science and AI domain, you should be very good at Python and SQL. Okay. So /1, a skill listed on data analyst job posting in India. 60% plus of data scientist time is spent extracting data with the SQL. 100 plus major databases speak SQL, one skill and everywhere. Means it supports the SQL kind of syntax, we can say. And if you see a business intelligence tool, for example, Tableau or Power BI or Looker, it runs on SQL only. Okay. So it also supports the SQL query as well. So I hope the importance of SQL is clear. Now what we are going to cover in this particular workshop. So as of now, we have planned the 9 sessions. It can be 8 also, it can be 10 also, but minimum 8, maximum 10. Okay. So we are saying 9 sessions. It will be around 20 to 22 hours. We'll discuss what we are going to cover. So day 1, we are going to start with the introduction to a database and SQL. What is RDBMS? What is data? What is database? What is DBMS? Then installation of PostgreSQL and pgadmin. pgadmin is basically a GUI tool for the PostgreSQL. How to connect a database, existing database with the pgadmin, that is what we are going to discuss in the first session. Okay. Then next session, create command. So creating table, constraint, data types. This is very, very important. Constraint and data types is very, very important. So nowadays, I know most of you are using a vibe coding, right? So you are using vibe coding tools for creating a database, right? If you use any tool, for example, Lovable or Bold, they generally use Supabase. Okay. So if you go for any vibe coding tool, they generally prefer Supabase as a database. Supabase, nothing but it's a PostgreSQL only. It runs on PostgreSQL only at the backend. Okay. So that's why PostgreSQL is very, very important. And understand the schema of a database is very important. As of now, AI is not good at creating a database schema. Okay. We have to give the entire requirement. Also, as a human being, we understand our requirement well. Okay. But even if we use AI to create the database schema, you should know which type of constraint, which kind of data type is more suitable for that particular column. Okay. So that's why understanding the constraint and data type is very, very important. So that will be covering in the day 2. Day 3, we are going to start with the basic of select command. Okay. So if you want to extract the data from a database, we have to write the select query. So in this, we are going to discuss where, order by, limit, distinct, group by, having, aggregate functions, entire thing. Okay. So this will be covering in the day 3. Day 4, we are going to discuss most important part of SQL is basically joins in SQL. Okay. If you see all the competitive exam, GATE exam or any IT officer examination or any PSU examination, they focus more on the joins in SQL. Okay. If they ask a difficult question, most probably they are going to join more than 2 tables and then they are going to ask the question based on that. Okay. So joins in SQL is very, very important. Inner join, outer join, then self and cross join, how to join multiple tables and extract the data from that. That is what we are going to discuss in day 4. Day 5, we are going to continue the joins in SQL part along with the set operators and subqueries. Okay. Again, very important. Day 6, we are going to cover string, date and type conversion. So all the functions related to a string manipulation, date and type conversion, very important for data analyst, right? So we are going to cover this. Then day 7, so basically we are going to focus on entire data analysis. So we are going to load the CSV file, how to clean the data, in which format the CSV file must be there, how to create a table for this particular CSV file, how to load the data using pgadmin. Entire thing we are going to discuss in the day 7. Okay. So CSV loading, cleaning with SQL, then Windows function. That is what we are going to discuss on day 7. Day 8, so we'll be connecting the PostgreSQL using Python. So as of now, so till day 7, we are going to use the pgadmin and how to perform the various operations using Python on the output of SQL query. So that is what we are going to discuss in day 8. So day 9, last day, we'll be focusing more on the which type of question you can expect in the interview or GATE data science exam, about the hacker rank and lead code SQL challenges. Okay, so that is what we are going to cover in the last session. Okay, so this is what the plan for the workshop. So it's a 9-day SQL live workshop. Every day 1 to 2 hours we'll be spending on the SQL part, and after the workshop you can solve any question from the GATE exam, idea of the examination, and you will be able to answer any question in the interview based on the SQL. Okay, and at the last you are going to get the certificate for this particular workshop. So criteria for the certificate is the attendance. So first of all, you need to attend all the 9 days. So attendance is very important, and plus you need to give the test. So we are going to conduct the test on our platform, and once you give the test you can get the certificate here. So 75% attendance is the criteria for certificate, along with the test what we are going to conduct at the end of the workshop. Okay, and you are going to get the recording for each day, so don't worry about the recording part. And I hope everything is clear about the workshop, and if you have any question regarding the workshop, please feel free to comment below. Okay, and you can see by day 9 you will be able to install and configure the PostgreSQL and pgadmin, write the complex SQL queries, subqueries, load CSV data and run the SQL on that, crack SQL interview round, right, and designing the schema with the right data types and constraint. Okay, so this workshop is going to cover everything. Everything means what? All the exams plus interviews. Okay, so this will be useful for your placement as well as exams also. And who this is for, right? So if you are a fresher, so there is no prerequisite. Okay, so there is no prerequisite for this particular workshop. Even if you are first year student, you can attend this particular workshop. For BE, BTech, BCA, MCA student, freshers and final year student, GATE DA aspirant, aspiring data analysts, self-learners, all are welcome. Okay, and your instructor Piyush Wairale. So I have taught DBMS for almost 5 years at IIT Madras BS degree. So I was the instructor for 5 years, and now I'm full-time into my company. So I worked there for 5 years, and I have taught database and SQL for 5 years at IIT Madras. Okay, so I'm going to teach you. I'm going to take all the live classes for this particular workshop. Then the price. So price is basically 499, but we are going to give more discount on this. You can use the coupon code PGSQL to get 200 rupees off. Okay, so final price will be what? Just 299. Okay, so 299 will be a final price for this particular workshop. You can use the coupon code PGSQL. Okay, so you can find out the link in the description of this particular video, or you can check out the comment section as well, or you can visit our website also, piyushwire.com. Okay, just go to website, or you can also visit our website piyushair.com. So you can find out the link on both the website. Okay, so stop watching tutorials, start writing SQL queries. We are going to start on 22nd of July. Timing will be 7 p.m. and the price will be what? 299 only. Okay, so here you can see our website piyushwire.com. So just go to a courses section, right? So if you scroll down, you can see PostgreSQL for Data Science Bootcamp. Simply click on this and click on buy now for 499. Once you click on buy now button, you can see PGSQL coupon code, right? So just apply that and you will get 200 rupees discount. So final price will be at 300 rupees here. Okay, so you can use this particular coupon code PGSQL, and the last date of registration is basically 21st of July. On 22nd, we are going to start the workshop here. Okay, so kindly enroll before the 20th of July here. And if you want to see a details of this particular workshop, you can just go through this particular blog post. Okay, so what we have discussed just now, everything is covered in this particular blog. Okay, So that's it from my side. If you have any question regarding the workshop or get data science course, feel free to comment below. Okay. Thank you.